Choke up to become emotional and unable to speak properly, often with tears or a tight throat. He choked up and paused during his speech. She choked up when talking about her late dog. Crack up to suddenly start laughing a lot or to break into uncontrollable laughter. Everyone cracked up after hearing his joke. She told me a silly joke and I completely cracked up. Wrap up to tear something into small pieces, usually paper, documents, and clothes, etc. He got angry and ripped up the paper. I accidentally ripped up the wrong document. Pile up to increase in quantity or accumulate, often creating a stock or a mess. The leaves pile up in the backyard. My laundry is starting to pile up because I have been busy all week. Speak up to talk louder so other can hear you clearly. Please speak up, I can't hear you clearly. Sorry, can you speak up? There is too much noise. Split up to separate into parts or groups. The teacher split up the class into four teams. Let's split up the work to finish it faster. Call up to call someone on the phone. I will call you up later. I am busy right now. He called me up yesterday but I missed up. Split up to end a romantic relationship. My parents split up when I was very young. They split up last year but still talk sometimes. Stay up to remain awake and not go to bed, usually later than normal bedtime. He stayed up all night before the exam. If you stay up, you will be sleepy tomorrow. Pick up to lift something from a surface. She picked up the baby gently from the bed. Can you pick up your socks that have been there all day? Pick up to go somewhere and bring someone or something with you. Can you pick up the kids after school today? What time should I pick you up for the movie? Wind up to finish or end something. Let's wind up now, it's getting pretty late. I will wind up this task in a few minutes. Patch up. To fix a broken relationship after an argument. He patched up with his best friend last night. They patched up and started talking again. Grow up. To become an adult or to behave in a more mature way. He grew up with his grandparents in the village. Stop arguing over silly things and just grow up. Throw up. Till we met. He threw up right after getting off the bus. I threw up everything I ate this morning. Chop up. To cut something into small pieces. Can you chop up some fruit for breakfast? I already chopped up all the vegetables. Buy up. To purchase all or a large amount of something that is available often quickly. She bought up everything on the sale rack. He bought up all the cheap t-shirts on sale. Gang up. To join together is a group to oppose, criticize, or attack someone often unfairly. The kids ganged up against the new student. They ganged up and blamed him for everything. Meet up. To meet someone, usually planned or casually to spend time together. Let's meet up sometime this week if you are free. I will meet up with you near the metro station. Subscribe this channel for more informative videos.